If your body butter feels greasy, just sits on your skin, and takes forever to absorb, this is why. And once you fix this, it'll completely change the way your body butter feels. Today we're making an emulsified body butter. It still feels rich and moisturizing, it's lighter, smoother, and actually sinks into your skin. Look at this texture, soft, creamy, and it doesn't leave that heavy, greasy layer behind. Why your body butter feels greasy. Most body butters have that greasy feeling because they're made with just oils and butters. There's no water in them. So when you apply it, it feels heavy and greasy and it's slower to absorb. Now that's not necessarily a bad thing, but maybe that's not what you want to use for everyday body butter use. So instead of removing oils, what we're going to do is we're going to change the way that they behave in our body butter. What emulsified means. All emulsified means is that we're combining oil and water into one smooth product. Normally these two don't mix. So we use something called an emulsifier to bring them together. That's what gives us that lightweight, lotion-like feeling while still being rich like a body butter we're used to. This is the goal. Ingredients. We're going to be working with 3 different phases in this body butter. Water phase. This is what makes the biggest difference on how the body butter feels on your skin. We're going to be using distilled water and vegetable glycerin. The glycerin helps to pull moisture from the air to your skin. Oil phase. This is where the richness comes from. The mango butter and cocoa butter help to give the body butter its structure. Sweet almond oil keeps the butter soft and spreadable. And then we have emulsifying wax. This is what allows everything to combine. And cetyl alcohol helps to thicken and smooth the final texture. Cool down phase are the ingredients that are added at the end. And this is going to include our fragrance oil, preservative, and vitamin E oil. Now, if you want a deeper breakdown of what each ingredient does, substitutions, everything like that, feel free to hop over to my website, summerrain.website, as I do go more in depth over there. I just don't want this video getting too long. So if you need some more information, summerrain.website. Okay, now that we know what it is and what ingredients we're going to need, let's put it all together. Add your water phase to a heat-safe container. We're going to add the water and the vegetable glycerin. Add your oil phase to another heat-safe container. That's going to include the cocoa butter, mango butter, sweet almond oil, emulsifying wax, and cetyl alcohol. And then we're going to place both phases onto the same double boiler. You want everything in the oil phase to be fully melted. Now, the reason why we put both on the same double boiler is we want them to get to roughly the same temperature because that's going to be what helps create the emulsion. If you don't get this right, it could separate later. At this point, everything should be fully melted. Emulsifying. Now, slowly pour the water phase into the oil phase, and we're immediately going to mix it with our immersion blender. At first, it's going to look very, very thin, and you're going to think that you did something wrong. This is completely normal. Just keep mixing with your immersion blender. You really want to do this for at least a minute. As it cools, you'll see it starts to change. It becomes thicker, creamier, more like a lotion. This is the emulsion happening. Cool down ingredients. Now we can go ahead, we can add our cool down ingredients. So we'll add our fragrance oil, our preservative, and at the same time, our vitamin E oil. And then we're just gonna come in with a spatula and we're gonna give it a really good mix to make sure everything is fully incorporated. This part always looks so good. we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna transfer our emulsified body butter into our container. Right now, it might look a little soft. That's because it's not all the way cooled down. As it cools, it's gonna thicken into that smooth, buttery texture that you want in emulsified body butter. This right here is the final result. It's still rich, but it absorbs so much better. No heavy, greasy layer. It really is a body butter that you can use for everyday use. I really wanted to create this body butter because I wanted to have something that we can use in the summer. So I feel like the traditional body butters are amazing in the winter because you just need all of that butter and all of that oil on your skin. The same is true in the summer, but for whatever reason, I like mine to be less greasy and to absorb in quicker. That's why I wanted to make an emulsified one. If you have questions about body butters, I have a whole slew of them. I have 2 ingredient body butters. I have beginner body butters. I have more advanced body butters. I have multiple emulsified body butters. So I do have a whole bunch of other videos if you're interested in. Maybe I'll create a playlist for the body butters. So if I can link that somewhere, I will. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using and customizing your body butters as much as I did. If you haven't done so already, be sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. And I did mention this earlier about more information on my website, which is summerrain.website, but I also have a printable recipe on there. So sometimes that's a little bit easier than writing it down while you see it on the screen. Again, I really hope you enjoyed the video and you're having as much fun creating as I am.